What's up, YouTube family? I know it's been a minute. I've been working on some great things and some really helpful tools that will help you become a better artist. I know it's been a minute, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to draw with these mechanical pencils, regular, cheap mechanical pencils that you probably have already. When I shade with mechanical pencils, I use this technique called the scribbling technique, and I'm about to break this down for you. So we have this sphere right here, and let's just draw in this shadow line. So let's say this part is going to be the darkest area and this part is going to be the lightest area. The millimeter really does not matter. This is a 0.7 millimeter and this is a 0.5 millimeter. With the scribbling technique, it's exactly what it sounds like. And you just do this, scribble. And you don't want to just scribble in circular motion just like this. You want to like vary the direction, make it random as possible. And it's best if you don't really think about which direction you want to go while scribbling, like just do it, and that will really help you get all the lines down consistently. Just like layering, when I teach with my ballpoint pen technique with hatching and cross hatching, you have to layer with pencil. This can work with any paper. I do recommend using cold pressed watercolor paper because it allows the graphite to stay consistent when you do this technique. But you see how even it looks now? And you can even go darker. Put in a line there just to make it seem like a sphere. So if the middle part has a darker value, you can just layer that line. You can also scribble lines as well. It gives the line a even transition into the shadows or the highlight. And now you can see the shadows really starting to come together and the sphere is really starting to form. Let me use my 0.5 just to show you guys the different millimeters. Remember, keep it random. And this is it. Like, that's basically it. You're just creating this type of motion, random, like this. And it works with pretty much any size of lead with the mechanical pencil. Now I'm going to show you how to do this with a portrait. It's the same technique, it's just on different drawing. So let me put this aside. I'm going to be using the 0.5 millimeters. Like I said before, it really doesn't matter which size you use. I'm going to erase this part right here. Okay, and I'm going to fill this back in using the scribbling technique. This technique I had to discover myself because I was never taught this in school, and I just accidentally did it one day and I like how the shading turned out, so I just stuck with it and I kept using it in different drawings, and now I use it like almost in every drawing. And you see, now it's filled back in. It's very simple, very underrated technique, and I'm just here to share it with you all. Hopefully this will help you guys with your drawings, and it will definitely help you become a better artist, because the more techniques you know, then the better your drawing will become. Make sure you guys subscribe and like the video. I really appreciate it.